Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video, and this time it is Pink Parcel. So this is what it looks like. I've just ripped this part off here. So this is their old box. I'll just tell you a little bit more details in a minute, but you can see we've got what we've got for you. So in here contains beauty products, and then we've got a little pouch of sanitary protection, and then we've got night and then later. But if you're new to Pink Parcel, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about and the changes that are happening at the moment. But if you've seen it all before, you know it all, and you just want to see the contents inside this month's box, I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So I've been receiving Pink Parcel for probably coming up to 2.5 years, something along those lines. Now there's been a lot of problems over the last couple of months. We've had emails from the owner of Pink Parcel apologising. They've released a new website. There's a new concept to the actual process of the subscription as well. I'm just getting into it. I'm just starting to understand it all. But Pink Parcel is a monthly subscription service for your periods, and it has beauty treats on the side. So because I was a long-standing subscriber, I used to have my box for £10.50 a month, which included postage and packaging. That was the cost of when I started, but then over the last, I'd say 2 years maybe, the price went up to £12.99, so still an affordable monthly box. But over the last couple of months, as I said, there've been a few issues, a few problems. They are sort of straightening things out now, but for me as a long-standing subscriber, I have found it quite boring. There's a lot of repeats there, boxes arriving really late, just generally unhappiness and not knowing whether I should continue the subscription or not. But because I was on this £10.50 plan, if I had stopped my subscription and decided to restart it, I would then have to pay the £12.99. But all that's changed now, so the prices have gone up. But even for me, being a long-standing subscriber, so my box now costs £13.50, so it's gone up by £3. So with this new subscription that they've come out with, you are now able to purchase your needs, which is your sanitary protection on its own, and it starts from £5 a month. Or you can have the wants, which is all the beauty products without the sanitary protection, and that will cost from £8 a month. And if you want the beauty products and your sanitary protection, it will cost you from £11 a month. And postage and packaging, I believe, is £2.50. So as with a previous subscription, you're able to choose whether you want tampons, pads, or a mix of both. You're able to choose your size, and you're able to choose your brand as well. And it comes in monthly, 3 monthly, and 12 monthly. And the 3 and 12 monthly are at a reduced cost. And then your delivery dates. Now this has changed. Before, you could put in any date. So say if you had a period on the 1st of July, then you will receive a box a couple of days before your period is due. So say if I took out a subscription now, it looks like for July, I'm only able to choose from the 8th to the 27th. Can you see there? So the first week is missed. So say if you got a period on the 1st, then you would add a date. I don't know, I'm really confused. I'm really sorry about this. I'm just confused because mine is 17 days late. If you lot can help me, because I'm referring to this because this is sort of new. This is the first month that they've started doing this. Now it seems to have changed, and they're not shipping the first week of the month, so you have to work around your periods and get a box like earlier or at the end of like the previous month or something like that. So I think the bottom line, that is it, isn't it? But it doesn't excuse why my box is 17 days late. Anyway, I opted for pads, all pads. So in the little pouch, I've got 5 daytime pads and I've got 5 panty liners. Then in the for night box, I've got 5 large pads there. And then in the for later box, I have got 8 extra day towels there. This is their old packaging. They did start to bring out their more eco-friendly, cosmopolitan white packaging, and but we did have an email to say that they are getting through old stock and stuff, so we might receive a box with the old packaging, but hopefully over the next couple of months it'll sort of even itself out. This video is very scatty. It is a bit all over the place, isn't it? I apologise. So this is the For You box, and in here contains all the beauty products and the sweet treat and the tea. So the first item then is something we've had before. These are mainly repeats, but this is actually nice. It is Willie's, and it's apple cider vinegar, and it's with the mother. So that's what it looks like there. This was very hit and miss for people when it came out a couple of months ago in, I believe it was Pink Parcel. Yeah, a lot of people was like, oh, what do we do with it? What's it like? I love it because I make salad dressings with it. So I mix cider vinegar with lemon juice, oregano, garlic, what else? Olive oil. And I think that's it really. Just a simple, nice, healthy dressing. And yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it. So I'm quite chuffed to have that again, even though it is a repeat. Next we've got a Sebamed Clear Face Mattifying Cream. Skincare complex for oily skin. Mattifies the skin by regulating sebum production. Care formula with horse chestnut soothes the skin. And what size are we? This is a 10 mils. This is a repeat as well. It's no good for me, but I will give it to my daughter. If you've been following my channel for a long while, you will know I'm on medication to control my acne. I don't suffer from really severely greasy and acne skins anymore. So yeah, that will be given to my daughter. So are these as well. They're bandies and they're hair bobbles. 1, 2, we've got 4 there. I'll just take them out of the wrapper. Again, this is another repeat. I don't like these ties at all. Don't like them at all. They just, yeah, they're not good on my hair. I've got very fine thin hair. I got a halo extension just to thicken up the bottom, but yeah, my natural hair is very fine and they get tangled up in them. They get tangled, so it's no good for my hair whatsoever. I like the fact that they are plain though, and they're nice neutral colours. It's a shame they just don't suit my hair. So yeah, I'll be giving them to my daughter as well. Next we've got a nail polish, and it says, be your incredible self with Nails Ink. And this is in Portchester Square. I think that's what the shade is. Quite a nice colour. It's like a lilac grey sort of shade. Yeah, I do like that. I've never had that before. So there's that. Then we've got Tea Bag. I've had this before, and it's apple and blackcurrant green tea and vitamins by T+. I like this one. I do like these, so I'm quite chuffed to have that again. Then we got this really cool lipstick, and it's by Style London. Packaging is stunning, like a marble. Really pretty. So this is Hydrating Mousse Matte Lipstick in shade Berry Crush by Style London. It looks really dark, really dark. It looks nicer on my hand, but it's still a very dark colour. I do like it, but we'll see what it's like on my actual lips. I've got quite thin lips, so wearing darker shades is not always that flattering. I haven't had that before, so that is brand new. Never had it before. So chuffed to that. And then lastly, we've got our sweet treat. This is Whitworth Shots Toffee and Pecan, 99 calories. I've seen these like in Costa and coffee shops like that. So yeah, so there's that. I'm not sure if you've had these before, but no, toffee and pecan sounds gorgeous. I'm not that keen on like dried fruit and nuts and snacks like that. I'm not that keen, but I absolutely love toffee and pecan. So yeah, I don't know, I'll see what that is like. So no, so those are all the items. So as well as the sanitary protection, we have got 5 beauty treats here. So we got cider vinegar, then we got this berry lipstick, then we got these bandies, we got a Nails Ink nail polish, we've got a Sebamed mattifying cream, and we've got a tea bag, and we've got the shots there, the fruit and nuts sort of type of shots there. So those are all the items. Woo! It's alright, it doesn't excite me, it's just repetitive, it's similar sort of things I've seen before, and a lot of things that are not suitable for me, like these bandies and the Sebamed cream. Yeah, so these 3 then. The lipstick looks nice, but it does look dark, so it'd be interesting to see how dark it is when I apply it to my lips. The cider vinegar, handy, I use it all the time, so for me personally, that is great, that is great. And this nail varnish, that is really nice as well, a nice sort of, say, neutrally lilac-y grey shade. And I don't have a shade like that, so no, I'm quite chuffed to have that. So there you go. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you subscribe to Pink Parcel? Is yours late? Mine is 17 days late, and I'm not going to mention that again because I've mentioned that a few times now, but is yours late? Have you received your box? And yeah, so all your thoughts, all your opinions, I'd love to know. Even if you don't subscribe, I'd be interested to know your thoughts on this subscription as a whole. I don't know, is it really worth the £3 increase? I'm not sure. I'm a bit on the fence at the moment. I've been on the fence for the last couple of months in all honesty, but I honestly don't know whether I should continue or not, because it doesn't matter now if I stop, because if I resubscribe, I'm going to be paying the same. So yeah, I'm going to have a think about it. Let me know, what do you think I should do? So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching anyway. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.